Yeah, hi. Welcome to Tech with Roshan. In this video, I will show you that how to install CentOS on VMWARE Workstation. In my previous video, I have already shown you that how to install VMWARE Workstation. So, just I'm starting my video. To install CentOS, just I have downloaded it from CentOS website. After that, go on VMware. Just create a new virtual machine. Next. My version is Centos 7. Next. Yes, I have already created a folder with CentOS. Just I'm going to give the installation path where I will install the CentOS. After that, next I'm going to specify the disk size. I will use 50 GB instead of 20 GB. Next, just click on customize hardware. I will increase the RAM size. I will use approx 3 GB. After that, specify the disk images. So just going to my ISO images. So ISO images here. See, you can see that Windows 7, sorry, CentOS 7 minimal version is present. After that, just click on close, finish. Click on power on this virtual machine. Go to option. One is install CentOS 7 and second is test this media install 7. Just click on install CentOS 7. Saying that press enter key to begin the installation. Choose language. So just I'm choosing English India. Next. It is taken Asia, Kolkata. It is network not connected. Just I will connect with the local network. Just done. Just click on begin installation. See, your root password is not set, then you have to set the root password. Just I'm giving the root password. Click on done. Just I'm creating a one user with name Raka and giving the password. Done. It will take some time. See, you can see that internally it is installing some packages. Just I'm pausing this video because it will take some time. Yeah, hi. You can see that installation has been completed and it is asking about to reboot your system. So just click on reboot. I think there is some issue. So just powering on the virtual machine. Yes, see, you can see that it is asking about login. So just I'm giving the credential. I'm logging through the root. Yes, see, you can see that successful login. Just I'm checking the IP address. IP address is 192.168.72.128. Yes, I will try to log in with putty. So just 168.168.128. Sorry, instead of 1792 I'm just written 172. So 192.168.72.128. See, through putty I have successful login. So thank you for watching the video. Requesting you to subscribe this channel. In next video I will show you do how to install Xwing on Windows and how to connect with it putty. Thank you.